So what's going on? I got a inspirational video for you guys today. I was thinking about something. One of my friends that just recently graduated this weekend with a master's degree. So that's a really, really good accomplishment. 6 years of college. Really good achievement. So I noticed some stuff over the weekend that I want to share with you guys that will help you guys along the way. So before we get into it, go and like, comment, subscribe, share the video, like the video. If you would like to support the channel, all the ways you can support the channel are in the description below. A lot of you guys, this is something I've noticed being out of college, because I got my bachelor's degree from A&M. This is something I've noticed coming out of college and being in the workforce, I think going on 3 years now. And I don't want some of you good dudes to get corrupted by the world, because it's very easy to get corrupted by the world, right? A lot of you guys are good dudes. People might call you a square, people might call you lame, a sellout, all that stupid shit. But you guys are really good dudes, and to be out here in the real world, because like if you go to college, if you go to high school, everybody's close together. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's socially, y'all see each other every day. Y'all build connections. Y'all know where each other stay. Y'all got each other's phone numbers, so if something happened, one of y'all can help each other. Now, once you leave these areas in college, in high school, and you got friends that moved 3 hours away, and friends that moved out of state, and then friends that are working, even further than 3 hours, 5-6 hours away. You guys are not as close. So once you get out here in the real world, and maybe your job takes you out of state, maybe your job takes you away from your family, your friends, maybe you're 6 hours away from your originally social circle, right? Then you get out here and you start dealing with the world and how people live, how people are. Then you start to realize how cruel the world is, because the world is very cruel. The world is very unforgiving. People do not care about you individually, right? It's just what it is, and don't take it personal. That's just what life is. And so once you get out here and you start doing your own thing, and you start dealing with real life, it's easy to get corrupted. It's easy to go down the wrong path. It's easy to say, not be that good person that you've always been. Right? It's easy to do bad and get caught up in some stupid stuff. This is why I say you have to have a strong social circle, a strong network of good people, because if you do not have those things, you are going to feel the wrath of life like you've never felt it before, and it will turn you cold. Because if you go out here and you can't find a job that you want, you got the degree, you got the credentials, and you still can't get the job, it's gonna frustrate you. And now you have to go find a different place to work at where you're making less money. It could really change the trajectory of your life. But see, if you have a network and you can't find that job, well, you can just ask around and they'll give you a good job until you find that other job that you really want. If you're struggling to pay your bills, if you have a flat tire in the middle of the street, if you have a strong social circle, you can have somebody, hey, you can dial somebody up and say, hey man, something really inconvenient just happened to me. Can you please just come pick me up and take me home, and then I got it from there. If you don't have a decent social circle, the very first accident, that happens, you got to figure this shit out by yourself. And in those moments, you realize nobody gives a shit about you outside of the people that are in your network, in your social circle, your close friends and family. You have to get around good people to have support. There's no such thing as an individual. There's no man that has an island unto himself. We're social creatures. We need communication. We need interaction. Some of you guys say you like being alone. I love being alone. Shoot, I'll disappear numerous times. My friend can tell me, my cousin can tell you, man, he'd be like, bro, you getting in one of them moods again, bro, where you don't want to do nothing. You kind of just want to be by yourself. But even me, the most introverted dude, even me, when I need social interaction, I will go out by myself and go talk to people. Random people. I'll go sit at a bar and talk to the bartender or talk to the people at the bar. I will go to the movie and talk to somebody at the movie. Like, bro, I will go out and do something when I'm in the need for social interaction. And at some point, we all need social interaction. We all need support, and you got to build that up. Now, if life has dealt you some bad cards, meaning that your family doesn't really support you, doesn't really help you out, well, bro, you got to find some friends. Find a fraternity, find a sorority if you're a woman, find a club you can join where it's good people that are already being vetted within that club, to where you can be a part of it, and then have a network, and then have a support system, a social circle. And to be honest with you guys, if you guys have a social circle and you have a big you have a big support system, it's gonna help you out with girls. You know what I'm saying? If you go out to the club and it's like the 5 of y'all, and women see that, like, hey, he has social value, he has friends. And so that's gonna help you in some of your areas with women, because some of you guys look lame, or people call you lame because you don't have a big social circle, right? Or you're not in a status-based thing, right? Now we can all get into all the rest of it where it don't matter, but if you have a social circle, that'll help you out with women. It really does. If you go out and people know you, that's going to pique her interest. To like, hey, he has a good social circle of people, just in case. So just in case where I need help, his friends can help me, sort of thing, right? But you have to have a social circle at some level, whether it's a small group of people that you like or it's a big group of people that you like. You have to have it at some level to really have some support, to have backup, to have people have your back. You can't just be one person and just go around. You got to interact with people and do stuff, right? That's what's hindering your success. You're not around successful people enough. Some of you guys have the social circle, but it's a bad social circle. And that's another key insight that you guys have to understand. You can have a social circle and it be a bad social circle, a bad people. I don't know what's going on in my throat right now. Pause. But because whether you know it or not, we pick up habits from other people. So if you're around friends that have bad habits, you're going to pick up those habits just from simply being around them. That social pull, that social pressure is so strong that you automatically start doing these things without you even knowing it. So if it's that way with having a bad social circle, what if you're around millionaires? What if you're around good business people that know how to invest, right? They know how to read the markets. You're going to be that much more successful. At the very least, you're going to be just as successful as them, right? So this video is getting long enough. I just want to drop this knowledge on you guys because it's very important. And everybody needs this, whether they want to admit it or not. People say they don't need this stuff. They're lying. We all need it. It's some real stuff. So that's my video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Share the video, like the video, and I'm out.